In front of me is Hammer Blade 5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and tapping on sounds and vibration. Then scroll down to access vibration and haptics and click on this switcher next to use vibration and haptics to turn them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can also tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to disable or enable haptic feedback for them. When you finished, go back. Then click on this switcher next to vibrate when connected to enable or disable this option. And last but not least, choose Advanced at the bottom. Then scroll down and click on this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to manage this last option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!